If your company is small, but the need for organization is giant. Eventually, the structure is lean and the resources are more scarce. All the efforts must have the objective to optimize processes and reduce costs. In this Excel invoice spreadsheet template, you can do financial planning and organize your finances in the best possible way. Service invoicing is a must-have item for efficient billing and collection management. Therefore, issuing invoices is an excellent way to control what was sold, not only to whom, but for how much, the date, contacts, and much more. That is why this document is paramount to the operation of a healthy company. This spreadsheet is an example of a ready-made budget. You only need to change the data. This was our invoice template in Excel. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.